Good morning, my dear students. How are you today? Welcome to another class, right? Do you remember what do we learn yesterday? Very good. We learned about the use of some and any, right? Very good. Okay. And do you remember when do we use some? And do you remember when do we use any? Excellent. We are going to do some exercises about some and any in order you can increase your knowledge about the use of these words, right? Okay, now let's see. Don't forget, my dear students, we use some for affirmative and polite sentences, right? Or when you hope or expect the answer to be yes, okay? Now, here we have some examples. For example, I've or I have got, do you remember? Present perfect. I've or I have got some good news. As you can see here, this is a positive sentence, right? And here we have, would you like some tea? Here we have a question. This question is polite, as it says. For polite, very good. And when you expect the answer will be yes. Very good. Okay. Would you like some tea? And here we have another one. This is an offer, right? When you offer something. Would you like some tea? Would you like some drinking or some drinks, right? Something like that. And we have, can I have some more cake, please? This is a request. You are asking for something, right? And here, as you can see, we have some. And we expect that the answer will be yes, right? Ok, no se olviden, chicos, que vamos a usar el some para oraciones afirmativas y también vamos a usar para ofrecer algo, como este would you like, es como te gustaría algo de té, some tea, and also también para pedir cosas, ¿no? Como por ejemplo, can I have some more cake, please? ¿Puedo tener un poco más de pastel, por favor? O algo más de pastel, por favor. Entonces, cuando nosotros esperamos que la respuesta sea positiva, vamos a usar el some. Would you like some tea? Or can I have some more cake? Right? Okay, now let's see the other one. And don't forget, we use any for questions and negatives, right? Usamos el any para preguntas y oraciones negativas, right? Okay, for example, here we have some examples. I haven't got any good news. I haven't. As you can see here, this is negative. Have not. Como ustedes pueden ver aquí, esta es negativa, ¿no? Es la contracción del have con el not, right? Okay, excuse me. And also here we have, she has not, negative, got any sister, right? Have they got any wine? ¿Tienen algo de vino? ¿Han tenido algo de vino, right? Okay, this is a question. We don't expect that the answer is yes, but also we don't expect that the answer is no, right? Okay, here we have an image. Can you see this image, right? Here we have a woman and a man. What does this man have in his hand? Very good. He has some money, right? I've got, this is a positive sentence, money, right? What we are going to use, some or any? If it is positive, we are going to use some. Very good. I've got some money, right? Okay, next. Can you see this man? And their pockets are empty, right? Sus bolsillos están vacíos, right? This man. Of course. Now, he hasn't, negative, got money. What we are going to use? Some or any? Excellent, my students. We are going to use any for negative statements, right? Okay, now, can you see this family? Of course. Here we have a father, the mother, the children, right? This is like my family, right? Okay. Have Bob and Sam got children? This part we have, this is a question, right? Can you see? Okay, here we are going to use any because it's a question, okay? Now, can you see this fridge? Right? What we are going to look in this fridge? We are going to look for wine. Do you know what is wine? Vino, ¿verdad? Vino. And here we have a negative statement. Very good. This is negative as you can see here, we don't have wine, right? There isn't some or any. Very good. In negative, we are going to use any. Excellent. Here we have cheese and bread. I wanted you to suppose that you go to the market and you find or you found cheese, but you don't have bread, right? I have got cheese. This is positive. What we are going to use? Very good. Some. But I haven't got any bread. Any for negative. Very good, my students. Can you see this image? Right? In this image, we have the post office, right? I'm going to the post office. Do you know what is a stamp? A stamp is this little thing, una estampilla, right? Okay, I need some or any stamps. Very good, some, because it's positive, right? It's a positive statement. Here we have your neighborhood or your town. Aquí tienen su barrio, su ciudad, right? And this is a store. As you can notice, it has a cross. Tiene una cruz. Eso significa que no hay, right? This is a negative statement, right? There aren't shops in this part of the town. There aren't. What we are going to use? Some or any? Very good. We're going to use any in negative statements. Now, can you see this couple? They have a children, right? Have you got? This is a question. What we are going to use? Any. Very good. Have you got any children? ¿Han tenido algún niño? Yes, they have, right? Here, do you notice this? Here we have some flowers and some bees, right? There are beautiful flowers in the garden. There are is positive. Some or any? Some, very good. Hay algunas bellas flores en el jardín, right? Okay, here, yeah, can you notice this landscape? Yeah? Here we have a question. Do you know good hotel in London? Of course, here we have the Big Ben, right? This is a very famous clock, or I think it's a watch. No, it's a famous clock, right? In London, right? Okay, do you know some or any good hotels in London? Very good. Any 4 questions. Now, here we have a teapot and a teacup, right? Would you like tea we are going to use some or any. Do you remember would you like is a polite way to offer something? ¿Sí se acuerdan que el would you like es una forma amable de pedir algo? ¿Sí? Entonces cuando vamos a pedir algo amablemente, ¿qué vamos a usar? Some. Very good. Excellent. Now we have here rice, of course. Don't buy rice. We don't need, right. If we have negative, we are going to use any, of course. And the second one, we have negative, of course, we are going to use any. Don't buy any rice. We don't need any. No compres arroz. No lo necesitamos, right? Maybe because we have a lot. Tal vez porque tenemos, right? And here we have oranges, right? Let's see the sentence. I wanted to buy oranges, but they didn't, negative, have in the shop, right? This is positive. I wanted to buy, very good, some oranges, but they didn't have any in this shop. Very good, my dear students. You are so smart. Okay. Here we have two girls talking in front of the water bottle, right? They are thirsty. Do you know what is thirsty? Sediento, muy bien. I am thirsty. Estoy sedienta, as you can see. I am thirsty. Can I have water, please? Can you notice? Pueden notarlo, aquí está igual pidiendo algo de una manera amable, right? ¿Sí? Okay. What we are going to use? Some or any? Some. Very good. Excellent, my dear students. What can you see here? Here we see some instruments, right? A guitar, a saxophone, flutes, right? Okay. Listen. Let's listen to music and have tea. What we are going to use? They are positive sentences, right? We are going to use some. Escuchemos algo de música. Bebamos algo de té, right? Here we have bread, right? We need bread for dinner. We need for dinners what? Some bread. Very good. Excellent. Now can you notice here we have some bags of money flying, right? Okay. The children went out without. Los niños salieron sin. This without is a negative connotation, right? Este without da una connotación negativa, ¿sí? Decimos sin. Los niños salieron sin, without. Si es algo negativo. Very good. Any money, right? Excellent, my dear students. Okay, here we have a bird. Have you seen? Here we have a question. Any bird. Very good. It's not polite. No es algo amable, ¿no es cierto? No estamos pidiendo algo amable, no estamos preguntando por algo amable, sino que estamos haciendo una pregunta. We are going to use any, of course. And what we can see here, postcards. Here we have some postcards, right? Let's buy. This is a positive statement. Very good. We are going to use some postcards. Excellent. Okay, some postcards. Now, this is your homework, my dear students. Complete the exercises using some or any. As you can see here, we have I have seen nice postcards in the souvenir shop. Now, we have there aren't, the space. We have to use some or any, folders in my bag. Number 3, I have, positive, magazines for you. Revistas, right? Magazines. And there are apples on the table. Positive sentence. And number 5, the last one. Pam or Pamela does not have pencils on her desk, right? Okay, my dear students, I hope you reinforce this use of some and any, right? Okay, have a nice day and see you the next class. Bye, my dear students. Don't forget to do your homework, okay? Bye.